platform. I got a ticket from one of the store, but the railway is very different, like automatic doors. And here is one more. This is electric powered, I guess. Yes. And I don't know, like I need to know at which platform I have to be. And the greatest challenge lies is in the language, like it's all in Swedish. So I can see the train. This train is in. So to come to this, I need to know, like, oh, there is so many stops. So that's how it is called as central. So okay, if I would have come from down, I would have taken that elevator. And this train is moving. Yeah, I wanted to experience the train journey as well. So this is A48, and you can see here this is the Radisson. Oh, this is a Radisson hotel, and this is the other part. And I think this train is about to move or what. And it has a sitting double deck actually, so front as well as down. I mean top as well as down. So this is in C. No noise, no rush in the platform. Very neat and tidy. And I can spot some people. It looks like a flight. The inside of the flight used to be like this. I can zoom and show, like, how does it look. I don't know if it can be seen using my phone, like, because I can see it clearly. This must be carpentry in between. There's a place to take shower. Somewhere in the video I saw like few people who has posted, like, they had the provision to take shower, beautiful bathroom. So the challenge will be tomorrow. At what time I have to come. So I guess I will have to sleep early and have to wake up early. So is this one single train or is a continuous train? I think this looks different here. Oh, they are joined. They are joined here. But there is no way I can get into that end, the other side, because I don't see any overbridge either. So, and there is nothing like if you are in the platform without the ticket, you will be summoned. Nothing like that, and nobody will litter around. Everybody is super busy in their life. So I think this must be all hotels over here, and these are flats. So because of snow, the concept of housing here is like they mostly have glasses in their balcony. It's all covered, it's protected by those glasses. So here is the train. I can see here 1, 2 tracks. Even this side there are 2 tracks, and it's just that I need to know. I have to be very careful. Last time what happened, while I came out from the airport and I was trying to show the tickets, my bus tickets, to my siblings and over the phone in video call, and the wind was so strong that my tickets just flew away, and it's very difficult, and I had to run chase for my tickets, and then it flew quite far. And after I got my ticket back, and I didn't know where I kept it, in the fear of losing it again. And when I boarded the bus, like the I had the other receipt, and the bus driver was telling, no, that's not the right one. You just gotten the wrong tickets. Maybe you have to get another tickets. Then, fortunately, it was on the left side, and I could spot it on time. So it was some kind of incidents. Like I was a bit nervous, but all went well. So here, I don't know if this is meant for crossing, and I can see that there is a S. S means stop. So from where I came from somewhere there, and I'm just waiting for this train to leave. Once it leaves, I'll also leave to get a place to sit. So maybe I can check this information here. It says, okay, intercity. Uppsala Central to, where is Uppsala Central? We are in the Uppsala Central, and it should go to, this is from, and this is the arrival, I think, and marking. I don't see this. I don't see Arlanda Airport. Yeah, but then I can see in the top, like 109599. It's Knivista Arlanda. Okay, so I need to figure it out. This train number, he mentioned about the train number. So mine is 40. Mine is 40. It's a good train. Looks good. It's good that I have got the tickets early. It's all electric based, and it's going in the other direction. But it both has the face. I thought this is the face. This is the engine where the loco pilot will sit, but it's going in the opposite direction. Can you see? Yeah, I hope it is visible. And again, there are another over there, that side. Okay, then whom shall I approach tomorrow when I come? Because I cannot be late. This is stressful again. Morning only, if I leave by 5, I have to make sure that I have enough energy. I have taken good dinner, because morning I won't get time. So I'll get back to my hotel and do the shifting. I did not understand. I don't know why they don't speak in English. I had an impression like almost everyone speaks English here. That's fine. But then what about announcement, hoardings, and those information? It is not there, completely lacking. I guess this makes us, like, it stresses us really. So that's that. And then, okay, I came to the van. I guess this is taxi. This is Central Hussain. I have to keep the tickets properly so that I don't lose it. Even maybe I'll use that folder. Yes. Tacuba, small piece of Mexico. Okay, maybe here. After I come here, maybe I'll take a left here. Okay, with luggages, of course, I cannot take the stairs. I will have to take this. And yeah, from Central Station. Here's another information. This will tell. Okay, I can know which station it is coming. And they mention about the train number. My train number is 40. So morning I will come and take a look. And then I have to figure it out. Where is C1 and C2? Where is E? Where is A? Okay, maybe in this lift it is mentioned. So it's 110. So this also doesn't say much. Of course, the platform, the train number, I guess. Linje is the train number. There is no Linje. This is just time. This is the challenge remains. I'm seeing lots of people cycling in and okay, now I got it. So to got into the other side, maybe I have to take this. Let me go and check in advance. I shouldn't be looking funny tomorrow, running here and there with my luggages. Unfortunately, I will just have my one luggage. Okay, I'm on the other side. On the other side. Oh, this must be the tail of the train since there is no more. Okay, there's a mention about SL and UL, so I need to figure it out. What does that? Okay, so I was in that side. There were two tracks, another two tracks, and another two tracks. So 4, 6, and 8. There are total 8 tracks. So this is what I could figure it out. Unfortunately, there are no more. So okay. So this is C. This C. Okay, Alanda. Space bar. This is the line. But then how will I know which bogie to board? So I can get in from any point. I can get in from any point and then I can reach my bogie. Is it something like this? Okay, I need to press that to get into. This is D. E40, that side again. Okay. A, B, A, and then B. This is C. A, B, C, D, E, and that must be F. Is this F? Yes. So it's in the alphabetical order. Okay. So from there to here, how would I go that side? So that is the question which remains. And this looks like the other side of my hotel. Is this? No. I don't know if it is Sala Sea. It says Sala Sea. And there is a Swift Bank over there. This, I need more identity and authenticity to open an account there. There's so many head of this train. I don't know where it starts. I'm trying to SL SL just for practice. Maybe you can board the train, go to airport, come back. You can do that, and you will end up spending almost 3,000 rupees, Indian rupee. It's so chilly. I am putting one. I could not wear gloves because I'm not able to operate my phone if I'm wearing. So finally, that's the head of the train.